Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an easy way to receive online payments directly inside Zoho Books, this is the video you need. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to connect Zoho Books with Stripe and start collecting payments like a pro in 2025. Let's dive right in. What is Zoho Books and why online payments matter? Zoho Books is part of the Zoho Suite, a powerful set of online tools designed to simplify accounting for small and growing businesses. Receiving payments online is critical because it speeds up your cash flow, keeps your books accurate, and saves hours of manual reconciliation. And with Stripe, one of the world's most trusted payment platforms, you can do all of this securely and effortlessly. First, sign into your Zoho Books account by heading to the Zoho Books website. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. You'll find the Settings option there. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Inside Settings, scroll to Integrations and Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the apps and payment gateways you can connect with Zoho Books. Look for Stripe. It's one of the most reliable platforms for receiving online payments. Click on Stripe and a setup page will appear. Here's what you'll do. Enter your existing Stripe credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Once completed, Zoho Books and Stripe will be fully linked. That's it. You've successfully set up your online payment integration. Benefits you'll love from this moment. Every payment a customer makes through Stripe will automatically sync with your Zoho Books account. Your ledger updates in real time, ensuring accurate financial reporting without extra effort. This means fewer manual entries, faster payment processing, and a smoother experience for your clients. And that's how easy it is to start receiving online payments in Zoho Books for 2025. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, actionable tutorials to keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.